the Pi core team is deploying a new platform utility after the Pi ad network. Domain names with the Pi extension are being developed to establish the Pi network brand. Access the Pi network app, go to Pi utilities, then the blockchain section, and you will see that the blockchain Pi domain is being deployed. This could be another Pi platform utility, as it may provide domain addresses for websites on the Pi network blockchain. Imagine big brands using website addresses like Google Pi or Amazon Pi or OpenAI Pi, and of course, they would have to use PiCoin to create and maintain these domains annually. This is another huge and sustainable source of revenue being created, the Pi web network. On March 10, 2024, Pi pioneers from Japan visited South Korea to experience the Pi ecosystem there. Japan and South Korea are both economically strong countries in the East Asian region. Japanese people are typically calm and cautious in their work and endeavors, while Koreans are dynamic and agile in their tasks. Japan is the world's third largest economy, after the United States and China, with a GDP of $5.147 trillion in 2021. Meanwhile, South Korea ranks 10th globally with a GDP of $1.65 trillion in 2021. However, in terms of the number of users and the coverage of the pinetwork, South Korea is currently leading the world. Not only Japan, but I also think pioneers from other countries should visit South Korea to experience the Pi ecosystem here once. On March 11, 2024, a golf shop in South Korea allowed customers to pay with Pi. Let's play screen golf and get paid for Pi. The first meme token of the Pi network has collaborated with a screen golf course to launch an event that pays pinu per game to customers who use golf. Let's meet at the golf course in Korea. Warning: as Pi network develops, there are increasingly more scams believed to be related to Pi. Remember that Pi is mined for free, but is not currently sold. Pi network is not associated with anyone or any organization claiming to sell Pi, Pi futures contracts, or any Pi derivative instruments. All such trading activities are unauthorized and may result in financial loss or disclosure of personal data. Pi is not currently listed on any exchange or futures exchange or traded with any other type of currency/cryptocurrency. Please avoid all current unauthorized Pi sales, futures contracts, or derivatives activities, as these scams may not have the Pi they promise to return to you after you pay them, and if not, these futures contracts and derivatives will be built on empty assets that have nothing to support their value, thus falling into the pump and dump situation. Remember that it takes time to create and build real value, and promises of quick money making are often scams. Due to our policy that all Pi earned through fake accounts or scripts will be burned, and the transfer terms in the current app, many scammers believe that owning a certain amount of Pi will be burned before mainnet due to prohibited behaviors, according to our policies and terms. Warn others and forward this information to your community. Thank you for helping us keep the network safe and secure. What do you think about the possibility of Pi ad network replacing Google Ads in the future? These pieces of information tell us that Pi is using the SHA-512 cryptographic hash algorithm. It is more secure than Bitcoin. So, calling Pi an upgraded version of Bitcoin is also correct. The value of Pi lies in such technology. It's not about becoming a tool or commodity for trading. The Pi network community in the Philippines organizes a consensus event for goods exchange using Pi coins. Everyone in this life will want to own Pi network coins sooner or later, because Pi coins are very valuable. Another place in the Philippines, Binmali, a first-class municipality in the province of Pangasinan, Philippines, A shop has used Pi for the entire transaction of goods here. A coffee shop in Spain accepts payment in Pi. This is a very positive sign, as now the West and the United States are starting to participate more actively in the Pi network revolution. Now, as the Pi core team begins to showcase the strength of the Pi network to the world's acceptance of Pi is irresistible. Let's look forward to Pi Day on March 14 to receive gifts from the Pi core team. According to the core team, over 15 million pioneers have successfully completed KYC. In addition, 10 million pioneers have smoothly transitioned to the mainnet. Are you among these lucky pioneering leaders?